With recent funding cuts for the National Institutes of Health, there's some concern with the kind of research that could be affected, including research for a disease that impacts hundreds of thousands of people right here in the Palmetto State.
The Alzheimer's Association released their 2025 facts and figures this week. It shows almost 12% of adults over the age of 65 right here in South Carolina are diagnosed with Alzheimer's.
Our Caroline Spikes joining us in studio tonight.
And Caroline, you spoke with someone who has been directly impacted by this disease. What did that conversation look like tonight?
Yeah, Justin, Michael, the woman I sat down with, Cheryl Woods Flowers, not only watched her father battle Alzheimer's for more than a decade, but she was also his caretaker.
If you can imagine them not remembering their family, it's a really bad thing. Yeah, it's really a bad thing.
Woods Flowers lost her father in 2018 to a disease that has no cure.
We don't know what causes it. We don't know if it's something in the air, something we eat, or what.
She says when adjusting to her new normal, she didn't know what to expect or how to react to her dad changing before their eyes.
You don't ever think that you're going to get to the point in your life where you're going to have to take care of your parent like a child.
Woods Flowers and her sisters cared for their dad, both financially and physically, as best as they could. The vice president of communications for the Alzheimer's Association South Carolina chapter said these caretakers have to learn a new way to communicate on top of legal matters and financial needs. In a state, there are nearly 225,000 caretakers working 369 million hours going unpaid.
And so the stress that comes along with all of those tasks, as well as the emotional toll that it takes to see your loved one and this entire relationship be upended, it's a lot for anyone to bear.
That's why Woods Flowers says ongoing research is so important to help find a cure that works so people can be with their families and know their families longer.
But they never forget who you are. They may not forget your name, but they still remember you here, always.
Now, between 2000 and 2022, South Carolina has seen a 177.9% increase in Alzheimer's deaths. If you or a loved one are impacted by Alzheimer's, you can find resources and a 24/7 hotline on this web story on live5news.com. From the studio, Caroline Spikes, Live 5 News.
Thank you, Caroline.